Hello everyone. Today we will take you on a dramatic journey with the most absurd accidents of heavy cargo vehicles. Fasten your seatbelts, prepare yourself, and let's start exploring right away. A heavy timber tractor was moving on the highway when suddenly a small car was about to turn to the side of the road in front of him. To avoid the collision, the tractor driver turned the wheel sharply, causing the vehicle to sway violently. This sudden imbalance caused the timber truck to overturn, dragging tons of timber onto the road. The scene became chaotic with the sound of wood and metal colliding, creating a dangerous situation for surrounding vehicles. A timber truck encountered a serious accident when it reached an intersection and was about to turn. The inertia force when turning was too strong, causing the timber on the truck, which was not tightly secured, to slip and fall onto the road. Large logs were scattered, blocking the intersection and creating a dangerous situation for other vehicles. A tractor trailer carrying heavy logs was traveling on a simple wooden bridge. Under the enormous weight of the vehicle and the load of logs, the bridge could not withstand the pressure and began to shake violently. In just a few seconds, the bridge collapsed, dragging the vehicle and large logs down below. This chaotic and dangerous scene is a strong reminder to ensure solid infrastructure when transporting heavy goods over fragile and makeshift bridges. A heavy truck carrying heavy logs was traveling on a road covered with ice and snow on both sides. Everything seemed normal until the vehicle entered a slightly steep curve. Suddenly, the vehicle lost balance and flipped to the right. The violent flip caused the tires to blow out and the rear wheels to separate from the front of the vehicle. heavy truck carrying heavy logs, was traveling on a road with a slight incline. However, due to the heavy load and instability, the vehicle lost balance and overturned a great distance below. The logs fell everywhere, creating a chaotic scene with a loud sound and dust flying up. The tractors were preparing for a shipment of goods with large containers. While loading, 3 containers suddenly came loose and fell to the ground. The scene was tense with a loud metallic sound, but fortunately, no one was injured in this incident. A truck was preparing to start a trip to transport soil when it encountered a very slippery road. While trying to control the vehicle through the difficult road, the driver lost control, and the vehicle began to spin many times on the road. A tractor was preparing to change lanes to the other side of the road, but due to the driver's lack of careful observation, a serious collision occurred. The tractor trailer crashed straight into the middle of another tractor trailer moving in its lane. A tractor-trailer was moving at a fairly high speed when the driver was forced to brake suddenly. Due to the sudden braking force, the truck's body was separated from the tractor. On the road below, many cars were moving normally, when suddenly a container truck fell from the upper left side of another road. This unexpected and dramatic scene stunned everyone. Fortunately, at that moment, no vehicles were passing below, avoiding a possible catastrophic accident. The scene was chaotic, but luckily, no unfortunate casualties were avoided. Here's everything we shared in today's video. Thank you for watching and supporting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest and exciting videos. See you in the next videos.